Hi, I'm Kayla Boyer, a PRAVANA creator, and today we're going to be doing a Halloween-inspired look. I decided on Bride of Frankenstein for this shoot because I felt like her hair was easily translated using PRAVANA Vivids. You can use a dark base with a bright light pop of color as the stripe, or you could do a light base with a dark pop of color. For my bride look, I decided to use our Pure Light Ultra Lightener. I decided to use this lightener because it's our most powerful lightener in our collection, and it helps me be able to achieve the brightest vivid shade that I choose. After the lightening process is completed, head to the shampoo bowl to rinse, shampoo, and blow dry. Make sure that the hair is completely dry before applying your Vivids. For the darker panels in the Bride of Frankenstein look, I utilized our PRAVANA Vivids shades in Black Additive and Smoky Violet. For the base of this look and through the ends, I used our PRAVANA Vivids shades Grape and Periwinkle. I alternated with another shade through the ends, and that was using Periwinkle and Silver. I used a color blocking technique for this look, and the reasoning behind that is because I really wanted all of the colors that I chose to really stand out and be contrasting. I also decided on Frankenstein as a pair to Bride of Frankenstein because we just came out with HydraGloss Demi-Permanent Color, and what more perfect shade to use than 1NT, our darkest black. For the Frankenstein look, I chose to use our HydraGloss shade in 1NT. I hope you enjoyed this look for the spooky season. Make sure to check out the website for more education and inspiration.